There is almost nothing here. This fridge is empty.
Wait, where is the food?
I do not know, Ethan. This is not good.
Maybe there is an egg or some chicken?
The freezer is empty too. Nothing inside. Only one bottle of water. That is all we have.
The cabinet is empty too? Oh no!
Come on! Cereal, please fall out.
No bread. We really need to shop. Okay, we must make a plan.
My stomach is very angry right now.
Mom, I am really hungry. Mom, I can check the grocery list on your phone.
We need milk, eggs, vegetables, rice.
Yes, Captain Grace! I am ready for the mission.
Okay, team, let's go to the supermarket. Today, we shop smart.
I will help. We will finish fast.
Wow, everything looks so colorful.
It certainly does. Let's see what we can find.
The shelves are so tall.
Listen carefully. We only buy what is on the list.
Do not worry. I will follow the list.
I will get fruits and vegetables.
I will get milk and eggs.
Ethan, go to the meat section.
Meat section. Easy job.
I will choose the freshest apples.
I must be careful with the eggs.
I trust all of you.
Oh, look at that big sale sign.
Is that the candy aisle? So many chocolates. They look delicious. Chocolate gives energy. Energy is good.
I will take just a few, maybe.
A robot toy. I will put this in quietly.
This apple looks fresh and shiny. These carrots are bigger. I think they are better.
Oh, art supplies. This paint set is beautiful.
It is for school, not a toy.
This chicken looks good. Wow, that coffee machine looks amazing. 50% off? That is a big sale! I can drink hot coffee every morning. Yes, I will take it.
Hello, Mary. Long time no see. Hi, Mrs. Grace. It has been a while. How have you been? Great, thanks. Prices are very high these days. Yes, shopping is not easy. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Okay. Let me find my team.
My cart is full.
I found something special.
This machine is heavy but worth it.
What did they buy? Something looks strange. Leo, why is there so much candy? We do not need this chocolate.
Sorry, Mom.
Maya, do you really need this paint set? Maybe not today. And Ethan, what is this big machine?
It was 50% off.
It is not saving money if we do not need it.
I will put the candy back.
I will return the paint set.
I will return the coffee machine.
Good job, everyone.
This chicken is what we need.
I will add more vegetables.
I must not break the eggs.
Now we are doing well.
Rice is important for the week.
I will place the apples carefully.
The milk must stay upright.
I am proud of you all. Let's put everything on the belt.
We did a good job.
The total price is going up. Is it too expensive?
Let me see the receipt carefully.
It fits our budget.
That feels good.
We did it!
Let's go home.
I can carry these bags.
This one is easy for me.
Piano fades out gently.
I will protect the eggs.
Open the trunk, please.
Let's load everything together.
Wow! Look at the snow!
Leo, keep your neck warm. I love winter.
I am ready to ski.
Remember, pizza shape to stop.
Watch me! Wait, I am going too fast. I am okay. The snow is soft.
Are you alright, Dad? He is smiling!
We learn together. We laugh together. That is family.